After all these years, I still get butterflies before I start to produce, begin to write, go on location, or sit in an edit bay to bring a story to life. Why do I get so excited? Because I know I'm about to go on an adventure that will take me somewhere I've never been before, introduce me to fascinating people I've never met before, and challenge me to tell an amazing story nobody's heard before. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Paul Stephen Forrest. I'm an award-winning writer, director, and creative coach who's been working in television for over 40 years. I'm also the author of the Amazon best-selling book, You Gotta See This: Hidden Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos People Will Talk About. I teach video makers how to tell better unscripted stories. So for me, bringing ideas to life is all about making the ordinary extraordinary, the normal special, standing out, connecting, being different, and crafting stories. Writing my book and making this video has been an exciting new adventure, one that is giving me a platform so I can tell you what I know, what I've experienced, and what I'm still learning. The most fulfilling step in my creative process comes during final playback. When I hit the space bar, I push my chair back, and I watch the entire video from start to finish. My payoff comes from watching a story that began with a drive, a link, or even an email come to life. Sometimes watching a story take its first breath overwhelms me. If you really want to elevate your work, grow your business, scale your income, and stand out in your space, my book, You Gotta See This: Hidden Secrets to Making Unscripted Videos People Will Talk About, can really help. You can download a copy on Amazon, BookBaby, and Barnes & Noble and read the first chapter for free, or by clicking on the link in the description below. I also have a free unscripted story guide that lays out my award-winning creative process and workflow that you can download too. It's also in the description. Please like and subscribe to my channel so you'll know when I post new content to help you make videos people will talk about. Remember, if you tell great stories, people will find you. This channel and my book can help you do that. Be sure to reference some of the other videos that I've posted on my channel. Thanks for watching.